And misled, bitch, I'm hoping you fucking rest in peace.
What's up, guys? My name is Ahmed Serker and I'm your host from Recycle and Code, and today I'll be showing you how to create this link tree here. Me and my partner will welcome Anzalip.
Hello.
Alright. But other than that, we can get right into it. So first up, we're gonna create a new folder. We can name this tutorial link tree. Alright, we're gonna open this up. Oops. And we are going to create a new text document. We'll name this index.html. You're gonna click yes. We're gonna add another text document. We're gonna name this style.css. And we are gonna create a folder, and we're gonna name this assets. Alright. So now what we can do is we can open this in Visual Studio Code. We'll open this in Windows Terminal and Code Dot, which will open it up in Visual Studio Code. But now that we are complete with our setup, now we can start coding. So we're gonna head over to our index.html. We're gonna do index.html, and now we can start with our header. We can do meta char set equals UTF. Oops. UTF 8. Wrong thing. Alright. Now we do meta name viewport, and we can also do content with device width, and now we do initial dash scale equals 1.0. Alright, so we are complete with this. Now we can go to our next line and do link. So we're gonna get our style.css, so we're gonna import it. New link row equals style sheets, and we can do href, and then our style.css. Alright, so now we are complete with our header, and we can now move on to the body. So we can start off with our profile picture. So we're gonna name this profile picture. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go to Google and we'll just search up we can use the Recycle in Code logo, so I'm gonna go get that real quick. Alright, so now that we are complete putting our logo in our in our assets, my bad. We can import it, so we're gonna do image source equals assets and then recycle, and we can do this as profile picture, and we could name this as profile picture, so when we're in our CSS we can use profile dash picture. But now we can start on our link name here, as you see. Not link name, my bad, profile name. So we can do profile name. So we're gonna do if class equals profile name, and we can say link tree. Alright guys, so I made this side to side. As you see here, our profile name and our logo is here, but it doesn't look like this, but we can make that in our style.css. But we are gonna finish off with our links and the bottom text. So href, and we could put our link here, and we're gonna name this links, and we can put the text here saying, for example, Instagram, and we'll just copy this line. Oops, not right there, my bad. And we can do that. We can name this YouTube, this Twitter. We can name this, for example, Discord, and we can keep that as Instagram. So we're gonna put our links here. So we're gonna do youtube.com, and here we could do twitter.com, and here we could do discord.com, and here instagram.com. I don't even know if that's a thing. But now we can complete it off with our bottom text here, as you see. But if we refresh the page, as you see, our hyperlinks work, and as you see, it links us to the page. But we can name this bottom text, and what we can do is div class equals bottom text, and we can name this Linktree. Save that. As you refresh our text here. Now we're gonna head over to our style.css. So we are not gonna be doing the background like it is on this page, but we are gonna just make it straight up black. So what we can do is body, move background to black. Oops. And we can do color to which is white. We do font family to sans, and we do sans serif. And we could set the font size to around 15, I'd say. And we could do letter spacing to 2. Alright, now if we refresh, as you see, our background is black, and yeah. So now we can do our image. We do border radius to around 50%, I'd say. As you see, our image, our profile picture looks very nice now, and we want to center it and make it a bit smaller. So what we can do is do dot profile picture, what we named it. We could do display to block, and we could do left to auto. I spelled auto wrong. Right to auto, and we do the top to around 10%, and we can make the height to auto, and our max width to around I'd say 100. Okay, we'll save that. As you see, it is centered and it looks very nice. So now onto our profile name. We want to put it under our profile, as you see here. So what we're gonna do, it's literally only 2 lines. We do dot profile name. We could do text align to center, so it's in the center. We do padding to 30. That's it. And as you see, it's nice and centered. So now onto our links. So we're going to do links here, and as you see, we're going to make it so whenever you hover, and the text color changes, and once you hover, there's a little purple color. But what we can do is do text align to center, so it's in the center. We do the top to 20, and we do we can do padding to around 20 px, border to 1 px solid white, and we do border width to 2 px, because why not, and we could do width to 250, actually 90, we'll do 90, and we do display to block margin left to auto, and right to auto, and we can do border radius to 40. Now if you save, as you see here, it looks a lot nicer. So now we want to add the effect where whenever we hover, there's the purple color and the color changes. So what we can do is go back to our code here. We could do text decoration to none, and we could do color to white, and transition to color 1 second. So it'll the transition, it will turn to white. So now we can do the hover, so a hover. We could do color to whatever color you want, but for this video we can do black, I guess. I'm not even sure, it doesn't matter. And we could do background to white, I guess. Now if we refresh, as you see, it looks a lot nicer, and whenever we hover, the color is white. But if you wanted purple, you could do purple, I guess, as you see, and it changes to black. If you don't want it black and you want to make it like white, even though it's already white. So for example, if you want to make it green, this is just examples. As you see, whenever we hover, it'll turn to green, but I'd stick with black. Oops. As you see, the links work perfectly. And yeah, that's really it for this. Oh, I forgot the bottom text. My bad. Hold up. So we can do bottom text. This one is gonna be a little complicated. It's like only 4 lines, but we can set it to the center, and we do the top 40, and we do actually do font size to 20, font weight to bold. As you see, it's bold and it looks a lot nicer. So if this video helped out, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and check out our website, our Discord, which will all be in the link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.